Hello students, as we all know that you people nowadays are watching the videos in Lead School Parent app, and we have completed our unit 2 worksheets has been sent to you, and we have started unit 3. Okay, so 5 to 6 topics from unit 3 are covered. That includes hard C and soft C sounds. Then as hard C as in cocoa and soft C as in sassy. And in next story, just below the first story, you can see soft C as in Cinderella and hard C as in country. Okay. Next, this story, Perfect Humor, is about Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. That is also explained to you all by the teachers on Lead Parent app. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great teacher, and to remember him we celebrate Teachers Day. Okay, and this is the second page of the story. Then also about Swami Vivekanand in unit 3, and this is the same story. Then hard G and soft G sound, as you have learned about letter C, that how C can be pronounced in two different ways. The same way G can also be pronounced in two different ways, hard G and soft G. Hard G as in gum, bag, good and game, and soft G as in danger, gentle, apology and ginger. Okay, so let's have a look once again. These were the topics I introduced you that we have covered. Now we'll have a look in detail. Okay, uh, and also we have covered one more topic, that is noun phrase. Okay, so noun phrase, let me explain, children. Noun phrase is a word or a group of words that is made by joining a noun with an adjective. So let us take an example. I'll explain you with an example. For example, you are taking a noun apple. Okay, and to describe apple you have chose an adjective, that is red. So the noun phrase is red apple or a red apple. So this is a noun phrase. So some more examples like blue shirt, okay, or black blazer. Not only colors, huge rock, and this way you can frame more examples of noun phrases. So hard C and soft C sounds. Here it's given the pronunciation also. So hard C is always followed by three vowels, A, O and U. So as in castle, count, come and cast. Also cat and cup. Soft C as in city, cement, space, nice, cycle and circle too. Okay, then words with soft C. Pencil, ice, cyclone. Again cyclone. In cyclone, the first C is as soft C, and the C that is after Y is pronounced as hard C. Okay, and in circles as well. Then sassy and cocoa. Here the words that are marked in green color are an examples of soft C sounds, and the words that are marked in red color have the C sound as hard C sound. Okay, then the story here is about Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers' Day is celebrated in memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was born on 5th September. Okay, And Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on 5th September. He was a teacher for 40 years before becoming the first Vice President of India. Okay, so this was about Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Okay, then student, again one more legend we are studying about, and the name here is Swami Vivekanand, who was a Hindu social reformer. He travelled across India to give lectures on Hinduism. Okay, he was a great Hindu social reformer. He was known for travelling across India and programming the message of peace. Okay, and here are hard G and soft G sounds. Okay, so here in this page you can see G in first column hard G sound, that is followed by again A, O and U consonants, vowels. It is written consonants here, but A, O, U are vowels, and they are followed by different consonants. Okay, then E, I and Y, in which E and I are vowels and Y is a consonant, followed by soft G sounds. So the examples: hard G as in gum, good, bag and game, and soft G as in gentle, danger, apology, ginger, and also in jam and giraffe. Okay students, so this is all that we have learned in 5 classes. Okay, one that was on 4th September, and rest of the classes this week till Thursday. Okay, so I hope you have learnt well. The worksheets of unit 2 has been sent to you. Okay, so I hope you have completed the worksheets. You are requested to send the worksheets that you have solved, or any kind of doubts also you can share on Lead Parent app as well as with me, as I am connected to you people through WhatsApp also. Okay, thank you students.